Look at this collector Tony Stewart Signature Series Monte Carlo SS. It has leather, tinted windows and a sunroof. It also has a car cover. Call now to schedule a test drive today.